Running a business is stressful enough when things go as expected. If unexpected legal issues arise, they can be costly to resolve and will inevitably distract key people from the work they should be doing. There is a vast and growing amount of legislation that businesses can fall foul of, such as health and safety, environmental and data protection laws. So, how can ARAG's commercial legal policy help your commercial customers? The policy pays legal costs to defend disputes with former, current and even prospective employees, arising from either a contract of employment or breach of employment law. Subject to policy conditions, it also covers compensation awards that the Workplace Relations Commission orders the company to pay or the payment of a settlement agreed by us. Tax issues can be particularly complex and time-consuming for businesses, which is why our policy provides cover for full revenue audits on the company's tax returns or appeals following an audit. Commercial legal protection can also help if an event causes damage to company property, or if a public or private nuisance or trespass affects the business. Legal defense cover picks up legal costs for criminal matters that arise from a business or motoring prosecution. The policy will pay legal costs of representation in dealing with such a prosecution. Cover also applies to appeal against the terms of statutory notices issued against the business, or to defend a civil action under the Data Protection Act, or to appeal against a decision of a licensing authority to restrict or remove a statutory license. Lost earnings can be reimbursed if a claim under the policy means someone has to attend court or they are called for jury service. And we will pursue a claim if an employee of the insured business is injured. Finally, for clients that need it, there is optional cover for contract disputes with customers or suppliers over the purchase or sale of goods or services, as long as the amount in dispute exceeds €300, and for the pursuit of uncontested debts of greater than €750. Like all insurances, there are some things that are required under the policy. Under most legal expenses insurance policies, claims must have reasonable prospects of success. This means that a solicitor must decide that a case is more likely than not to be successfully pursued or defended. It is very important that we are notified as soon as the policyholder is aware that they might have a claim, as we do not insure costs incurred before we have accepted a claim. Taking any other action or appointing a solicitor could prejudice their claim or incur costs that the policy does not cover. Claims must be reported during the period of insurance and must not exist prior to the start of the policy. There are also some costs and types of claims that are not covered, such as money due to an employee under their contract, compensation awards relating to trade union membership, and internal disciplinary procedures. Nor does the policy cover judicial review cases, those involving patents, copyrights or trademarks, defamation or parking offences. The policy usually has a limit of indemnity of €150,000 per claim. Some types of claims have other financial constraints. Unlike many insurances, commercial legal protection provides valuable benefits even if there is no claim. Our legal advice helpline provides year-round advice from lawyers on any commercial legal matter affecting the business. There's also online legal support from our Legal Documents website, which has a huge range of extensive guides as well as document building tools for businesses. And we have a counselling helpline available to anyone in the business and their immediate family, which provides confidential telephone support from qualified counsellors on any matter that might be causing concern. If you need to know more about our commercial legal protection policy, then you can download more detailed documentation from our website or contact your ARAG account manager.